Now all of you join your hands. Close your eyes. Start chanting Omkara. Om. Sairam. Jivika. Now I'm going to present my screen. In that I'm going to yeah. This is a activity. Can you all see? Chinmay?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see this? Can you see my slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I request Devangshi. Where is Devangshi Jain?
Yes, ma'am.
Read this line. Read the heading.
Can you rap the people you saw at the railway station when you last visited it?
Mention
them her. One
her.
has
It's not
been
her. But is it not her? It is here. Mention them here. Mention them here.
mentioned them here. One has been done for you.
Okay, very good. Excellent. So, what is the first one? Anirudh Sahu. Anirudh Sahu.
Yes,
Read this word. Can you recollect the people you saw at railway station? You might have seen so many people at railway stations which are your helpers, isn't it? So here are the names I have given you in the form of fill in the blanks, and you have to find out the names. So what is the first word is? Anirudh Sahu.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the first word.
Ma'am, orders.
Porter. Okay. I have given Porter. Porters. Porters. Now the next word. Can somebody guess the second word? Who can guess the second word? Yes, Chinmay. I can see Chinmay. Yes, Chinmay.
Ma'am. R. Hawker.
Hawker. Very good. What is the spelling of hawker?
H-A-W-K-E-R-S.
Wait. I'm going to write Hawkers. Hawkers. Very good. Excellent. Excellent, Rita. Now, can somebody guess the third word? No, not Chinmay now. Not Chinmay. Anirudh, mute yourself. Can somebody tell me the next word? Mukund. Yeah, what is the next word? Very good. Bookseller. What is the spelling of bookseller then? Tell me the spelling also.
B-double-O-K, book.
S
B double O K.
S E
S E
double L E R R S
R S. Okay, very good. Booksellers.
Almutullo
You might have seen these peoples. Now the next word. What is the next word? Who wants to say? Focus with yourself. Now the next word. Who wants to say? Who is that? Anish? Guard. Spelling. Very good, Anish. Guard. Spelling of guard.
G-A-U-R-D.
G. G.
G-A-U-R-D.
G A U R D. Anish. What is the spelling of guard?
Ma'am.
Ah.
G-U-A-R-D.
G U A R D. Very good. Guard. Now the last word. Who wants to tell this last one? Purti. Purti. Don't sing the song. Tell me. There are so many pictures also. With the help of pictures also you can find out. Purti.
Ma'am.
Tell me the answer of the fifth one.
Food
The rest of it.
मैम ये लिखना है
हाँ, लिखना है, बिल्कुल लिखना है आपको, साथ साथ में लिखते भी जाना है आपको। जो भी आपको काम दिया जा रहा है वो you are supposed to write in your classwork copy. I will give you 5 and now I am not going to send anything on WhatsApp. You have to write in the class itself.
व्हाट्सएप पे भेजोगी?
हाँ,
व्हाट्सएप पे भेजोगी?
बिल्कुल नहीं भेजूंगी मैं। Food, not a food seller, it is fruit seller. F-R-U-I-T, fruit, S-E-L-L-E-R-S, fruit sellers. Now write it in your copy. I'm going to give you 5 minutes time. Take out your classwork copy and be fast to write. Jivika, start writing fast. I cannot see you writing. Sanvi.
मैम स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रही।
Who has completed?
मैम स्क्रीन is not present.
Screen is visible. That I was checking that how many students are doing or not.
मैम I done. स्क्रीन दिख रही है।
I means who is I here?
मैम I have done.
Okay, Chinmay, very good.
मैम हार्दिका।
Okay, very good, beta. Completed everybody? How many students have completed?
मैम I have completed. मैम I have completed.
You have completed, very good.
मैम I have completed. I have
Very good.
completed.
Very good. Anish, you have completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Still, I am giving you 2 minutes time to complete your work. Only 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Be fast. I can see Jivika not writing. She is just sitting. Jivika,
I have done, ma'am.
okay.
Ma'am, my work is completed.
Okay. Now we are going to move to the next one. Singular and plural. What happened?
My work is completed.
Yes. Who is that?
Everything.
Huh? Kavyuddin. What is your problem, Kavyuddin?
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay. Beta, you just open the camera, Kavyuddin, so that the teacher can see you. ये कैमरा बंद करके नहीं रखा करो. समझ नहीं आता आप कौन बात कर रहे हैं. Now the next is singular and plural. What do you understand by the word singular and plural? Can somebody tell me what do you understand by the word singular and plural? Shivan Saxena. Yes, Shivansh. Singular and plural. What is singular? Shivansh. Aradhya Bhargav. Singular. Chinmay, yes, Chinmay, tell me. Singular is
Ma'am,
one and plural is more than one, not double, more than one. Okay, singular is one and plural is more than one. Okay, so yes, Kavyuddin.
Ma'am, ES or EV?
Today we are going to do this one. Now the first word, train. What is the plural of train? The plural of train, Lakhan Sahu. He is going to tell plural of train.
Yes, ma'am.
Simon.
Ma'am, train.
Not all.
Ma'am,
Lakhan, plural.
train.
Not
Yes,
Lakhan.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Plural of train.
Ma'am, train.
Train. Plural of train is trains. I'm going to write here. Look. What is the spelling of trains? Who wants to tell me the spelling of trains?
Plains.
No, T. T-R-A-I-N-S. Trains. Very good. Now, Mohitanshi Bunkar. Mountain.
Mountains.
Spelling of mountains.
M-O-U-N-T-A-N-S.
M-O-U-N-T.
A-I-N.
I-N-S. Very good. Okay. Now, who is that? My turn. Who is that? My turn. Athar Bhargav. Athar, you tell me. Plain. Third word is plain. What is the plural of spelling?
Plains.
Spelling. Tell the spelling also.
Plains.
Plains. Very good. Excellent. Yatarth Gurjar. Yatarth, are you there in the class? Yatarth, are you there? Yatarth,
Yes, ma'am.
wait, beta, wait. Yatarth,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the plural of river.
Rivers.
Spelling.
Rivers.
Rivers. Very good. Rivers. Now, Kushagra.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the plural of? You have to write this, beta. Till the ma'am is asking other students, you are supposed to write this in your copy. Everybody, be fast to
Ma'am,
write also. Don't. I'm not going to share any. I'm not going to share anything on the WhatsApp.
ma'am, I have already written.
Kavyuddin, you are supposed to sit in uniform. Understood, Kavyuddin? So, what is the Kushagra? What is the fifth word? Kushagra.
Passenger. Ma'am, passenger.
Passenger. The plural of passengers.
Passenger.
ये कौन बीच में बेटा बीच में कौन बोल रहा है बार बार माइक कौन ऑन कर रहा है हम बताएं कौन बोल रहा है हम बताएं now tell me the spelling of passenger
Passengers.
passengers now this is your one more worksheet of singular and plural be fast to write it I'm giving you 2 minutes time
Ma'am, done.
okay
Ma'am, done.
okay
Done. Ma'am, done.
okay completed everybody
Yes, ma'am.
Jivika completed. Aditya Lodha. Done. Very good. Mukund done. Now the next word. Next grammar portion. Opposites.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, very good. If you have done, then excellent.
I have done, ma'am.
Okay, Vaibhav, you have to tell the first opposite of what?
Ma'am.
Can somebody tell me the opposite? Who is that? No. Alina, what is your problem? Alina, why you have unmuted yourself? Alina.
मैम जो आपने पहले वाला बताया था सिंगुलर प्लूरल वो एक मेरे बचा है
जल्दी लिखिए बेटा थोड़ा फास्ट किया कीजिए हो गया बेटा
यस मैम
चलो next one now we are moving to opposites now who can tell the first opposite What is the first word, Anish Roy? No, not Anish Yadav. Sorry, Anish. What is the first word? Not Anish. What is the first word, beta?
Over.
Over. What is the opposite of over? Can you tell me the opposite of
Above.
over? Under. Okay. Over. Under. Okay. Which I'm going to make. I'm going to tell you. Now the next word is for Anish. Alina, please mute yourself, Alina. Alina, Sanvi, Sanvi, come.
Yes,
Opposite of come,
go.
go. Very good. Spelling of go,
G-O.
G-O, go. Very good. Excellent. Now,
I.
Jivika, mute yourself.
Ma'am,
Unmukta, Unmukta,
Yes.
fail. What is the opposite of fail?
pass.
Spelling of pass,
P-A-S.
okay. Utkarsh Chokse,
Yes, ma'am.
day, opposite of day.
Night.
Spelling of night,
N-I-G-H.
N-I-G-H. Night, very good. Yakina, somebody has unmuted his mic. Please, घर का डिस्टरबेंस आ रहा है बेटा. आप में से किसी
Yes.
बच्चे ने माइक को ऑन रखा है और इसकी वजह से घर का डिस्टरबेंस आ रहा है. प्लीज, अलीना, आदित्य लोधा, अलीना, आप माइक बंद कीजिए. On. What is the opposite of on? Yajna.
Off.
Yajna.
Off.
Spelling of off.
Ma'am, off.
Spelling. I want spelling.
F. O-S-S. O-S-S.
Aditya Lodha, mute yourself. Aditya Lodha, mute yourself. O-double-F, very good. O-double-F, off. Write it fast. I am giving you 2 minutes time.
Ma'am, I have done.
You have done, then very good, excellent. Okay, very good.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, excellent. In the next class, I'm going to take a class test based on this one. Activities or question answers, what's the grammar portion which I taught you from the train. I'm going to take a class test. So come prepared with this poem. Okay? All of you have completed? Okay, now the next one is write the names of 5 trains that starts from Rupiyai and go to other states. This activity I have sent you in WhatsApp group. You have to complete it, and in the next class we are going to discuss, so that we all come to know that how many trains are there. Okay. Now I am going to show you question answers. Now we are going to discuss question answers from Deeksha app. Okay. What is the first question? The first question is, who is going to read the first question? Let me check. Aditya Lodha. Aditya Lodha.
Ma'am.
Yes, read the first question. Can you see the screen, beta? आपको स्क्रीन दिख रहा है बेटा? स्क्रीन दिख रहा है?
Yes.
हाँ, पढ़िए क्वेश्चन, पढ़िए क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Rest of you start writing fast.
Good morning, the magic garden.
Here, question number 1. Read this one, question number 1. Next, then Vaibhav.
Good morning.
Vaibhav.
Good
Vaibhav.
morning, the magic. Yes, ma'am.
Read the first question.
What is the poem all about?
What is the poem all about? Read it once again. What is the question? Is the
आंसर देना था उसको.
repeat it, Vaibhav. What is the poem all about? Vaibhav.
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा जो मैम आपको रिपीट करने के लिए बोल रही है उसको ध्यान से सुनिए और उसको रिपीट कीजिए. What is the
What
poem
is
all
the
about?
poem all about?
It is not poem. The pronunciation is, the correct pronunciation is poem. What is the poem all about?
What is the poem all about?
Very good. So now the first option is what is the first option? Read the first option.
And please write the copy.
Yes, you have to write each and everything in the copy.
Okay, ma'am. Aeroplane.
Who is that? Alina. Alina. Aditya Lodha and Alina, full time they are unmuting themselves. Mute yourself, beta. Otherwise, it is creating very. Dharya. Dharya. Dharya.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Read these words. Dharya, be fast, beta. Okay, Hardika. She's Hardika, read these words.
Yes, ma'am.
Read these words. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, just read these words, beta.
Aeroplane. Ship. Train. None of the.
So, what is the poem all about? The poem is about
Aeroplane.
is it of aeroplane,
Train.
train, or not? What is the plane? It is about train.
Train.
So your answer is correct. So if you have said the train option, then it's correct. Now the second question. Choose the correct rhyming of male with similar
Ma'am, train.
male.
Train. Ma'am.
Is it mate, weight, fail or fate? What is the correct answer?
And fail.
Fail. Very good. Answers. Be fast to write the answers to in your class copy. You are supposed to write these answers also in the class copy. Yeah.
मैम
You have
इसे
written
लिखना है.
हाँ ना बेटा, लिखना तो सब कुछ है, मैंने बताया तो था. ये किसने पूछा? कौन बार बार पूछ के लिखना है, सब कुछ लिखना है. शिवान सक्सेना, म्यूट योरसेल्फ. All of you have completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Completed. How many students have completed? Then unmute yourself and say completed. Then we are going to switch on to the next
I have
questions.
completed.
Okay, very good.
Completed.
Completed. Okay, very good. Excellent.
Completed.
Okay. Still, how many students are there completed?
Completed. I am completed.
Still, how many students have not completed?
I'm done.
Done. Very good.
I'm done.
Okay. I think so. Everybody has completed this one. So I'm going to write the correct answer. So all the two question answers were correct. Excellent.
Ma'am.
So you all wrote
Ma'am.
Himansh. Yeah.
मैम पहले वाला क्वेश्चन बताएंगे.
Alina Sidi, Alina, Ayush Yogi, don't unmute yourself. And when the teacher is teaching, at that time only you are supposed to say कि पहला वाला क्वेश्चन बता दीजिए, दूसरा वाला. किसी के घर से बेटा बहुत डिस्टर्बेंस आ रहा है क्लास में, बहुत ज्यादा. अलीना, आपका माइक फुल टाइम ऑन है बेटा. प्लीज unmute yourself, Alina. Mute yourself. Now we are going to do short questions answers. This is question number 1, right? Question number 1. At what time train rushes on? Can somebody tell me at what time the train rushes on? At 1, yes. Mukund, yes.
Ma'am, all the day night.
All the day and night. Very good. All the day and night. Very good. Now I'm going to share the answer. It rushes through day and darkness. Write the question from here and write the answer. If you have completed the question, then write the answer.
Ma'am, what is the answer?
Alina?
Ma'am, Hardika.
Alina? Wait, Alina, I'm going to show you the answer. Alina?
Ma'am, Hardika.
Arey beta, I know your name, Hardika. You are Hardika. I'm talking to Alina. Whether she has written the question.
Yes, ma'am.
आपने क्वेश्चन लिख लिया? मैं
अभी लिख रही हूँ क्वेश्चन.
बेटा इतना धीरे नहीं लिखना है, आपको स्पीड बढ़ानी पड़ेगी अपनी। छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चन है, इसके आंसर्स आपको स्पीडली करने पड़ेंगे।
मैम कंप्लीटेड।
मैम कंप्लीटेड।
मैम
आंसर
एक
इज
बार
गिवन ना,
फिर
इट
बताइए।
रशियन। कौन है ये, एक बार फिर से बताएंगे, कौन है?
मैम बस एक बार छूट गया।
अरे ये कौन है, मैं नाम पूछ रही हूँ आपसे।
मैम अलीना।
अलीना कितनी देर और लगेगी बेटा? कंप्लीटेड अलीना? अलीना
मैम आंसर बताइए।
डोंट से मैम, आंसर बताओ। आंसर बताओ नहीं मैम, प्लीज शो मी द आंसर। प्लीज शो मी द आंसर। अलीना, अलीना, now the next
यस
question.
मैम।
Where do the trains run over? Who is going to tell the answer of it? Where do the trains run over? Sanvi, where do the Sanvi, why you always keeping yourself unmute? Mute yourself बेटा, आपके घर का डिस्टरबेंस बहुत आता है, फिर दिक्कत होती है। अलीना, आपका माइक हमेशा ऑन रहता है बेटा, प्लीज म्यूट कर लीजिए। हाँ, यस मुकुंद, I can see Mukund's hands raising. Else, Alina, mute yourself, Alina. Yes, once you check the answer. The train run
मैम एक
over.
बार इसका आंसर बताइए।
अलीना, अलीना, आप क्लास में थोड़ा
Yes,
अटेंटिव रहिए। ये बार बार म्यूट मत कीजिए अपने आप को, अनम्यूट मत कीजिए प्लीज। क्लास में सारे बच्चों के साथ
मैम
चलिए
एक
बेटा।
मैम वन वाला आंसर फिर से बताइए।
नहीं बता पाऊंगी, जो आगे चल रहा है उसको कीजिए, ठीक है? अभी आपको जो मैं बता रही हूँ उसको पहले लिखिए, स्पीड बढ़ाइए थोड़ा सा। पहले आप सेकंड क्वेश्चन का आंसर लिखिए, वेयर डू द ट्रेन्स रन ओवर? हु वाज टेलिंग द आंसर? मुकुंद। यस मुकुंद, टेल मी द आंसर।
मैम ओवर द माउंटेन।
Over the mountains. You should not write like this, beta. You should write complete sentence. The trains runs over the mountains, plains, like this. Rivers, like this. Trains run over the mountains, plains, and rivers. Write the answer.
मैम I have written.
You have written very good, excellent. Who is that? I have written.
मैम I हार्दिक।
Alina. Very good. Alina.
Yes मैम।
Have you completed this one?
मैम क्वेश्चन हो गया, आंसर एक बार आंसर बताइए आप मुझे इस 2 वाले क्वेश्चन का।
This is not your Hindi period. Full time you're chatting in Hindi. Try to speak in English. Trains run over the mountains, plains, and rivers. Try to speak in English, Alina. All of you have completed this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Completed.
So I'm completed. Okay, now I'm stop sharing. Alina, have you completed? Otherwise, I cannot show you again.
Yes, ma'am.
So today we have discussed a lot. We have discussed opposites. We have discussed plurals. We have come to know about the people who help us at the railway stations. And later on, and one activity which I gave you, the names of 5 trains which run from Rutiai to other state. This activity we have done. Okay. So how many students have written the all the question answers? Chat box. They have filled 40. Completed. Time is over. Sanvi, don't worry for the time. This is your last period. Why to worry for time? Time is over. Time is over. Vaibhav Bunkar. Sanvi, it's very bad. You should not write. Time is over. Teacher knows that she's. Now it's 10:13 only. Okay, don't worry. I have to complete that work. Then only I can leave the class with her. It is not your offline class that you are sitting. हाँ ठीक है कल पढ़ा देंगे हम. ऐसे नहीं हो सकता बेटा. यहाँ पर क्या नेटवर्क की हिसाब से चलना पड़ेगा आपको. ठीक है? सानवी, Vaibhav. Okay. Now what today? Today what we have to do? What is the activity which you have to do today? Unmukh, he is going to repeat what the activity what homework I gave you. And where is your uniform?
मैम मेरे पैर में चोट आ गई है.
अच्छा.
मुझे लगता है.
Okay. What is your today's homework? What homework I gave you?
Opposites.
No opposites, not opposites.
Singular plural.
No, that I have made you do in the class itself.
Train name and stage name.
Sanvi, you are supposed to raise your hand. Then only I will tell you to unmute yourself.
जो दूसरे स्टेट तक जाएं.
The names of 5 trains which run from Rutiai to other state. This activity you have to do. Okay? Understood? So be prepared for class test. And on next Monday, I'm going to take a class test of train. Home.
Ma'am.
I will give you a Google form.
Which test?
Train, home train. I am going to give you a Google form. Not audible, what you want to say?
Ma'am, you have given that one work.
Whatsoever work which I taught you right now, till now. I taught you question answers. I taught you opposites. I taught you. Who is that presenting? Don't present yourself. Yes, Mukund. Are you having any doubt? Okay, what you have to do, you have to, I'm going to send you a Google form. In the form of Google form, we are going to have, I'm going to conduct a test. Okay, on next Monday. So, join your hands, close your eyes, start the Shanti part. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Sai Ram. Sai Ram.